Bihik Dr. Khainai no Buwi yak Swbai rimani kok Rwjakkha IAS Bwsaini sakabo. Dr. Khainai Bihik no supragai butok khlai yak Swbai Rwjakkha IAS officer Bwsai hinai kok silchamo. IAS officer ni bumung khnawi mamla yachakna nailia bilonia thanani police. Yak bai no bilonia IAS ni Bihik Dr. Khainai thang sobaika mohila commissioner. Mohila commissioner thangai Bwsai butok khlaijakma kok rokno thangai saboka Bihik. Kok tisalo Agartala Press Club koktum panda khayai Bwsai butok khlaijakma kok rokno Khaikha rakha Dr. Khainai Bihik Bilonia additional hangkorfa eba IAS officer ni bumung ka Pradeep Krishna Raj bini bumungui tabu bwsabo yapri Rwjakkha naimthang rokni bwkhaktei aboni bagai Dr. Khainai Bihik bijar sanai Bwsai no Majra nani bagai hastini Chief Secretary hastini Police Day South Hangkor Police Super Saltang Hangkor Police Super Day Montri Okranobo Bwsai yak Swbai butok khlaijakma kok silja mungrokno tiye shahor kahnai Khaikha rakha Dr. Khainai Bihik.
My name is Tiffy. I am wife of K. Pradeep, the additional district magistrate of South Tripura. Actually, we are married. हमारी शादी मार्च 21 2022 में हुआ and till December 2022 altogether we only lived together for only 3 months. In between also there were so many dowry demands from his and his parents' part. As far as possible, my father had done most of their dowry demands. Even before marriage also so many things were given, even lands were purchased in his name also. Then also their greediness increased day by day, and after December 2022 he has blocked my calls and there is no contact from him. My father and others relatives all tried to talk with his parents in Takkale, but they were not ready to talk since they need only money. They were asking for more dowry demands, like they need car, house, like that. They were needing more and more dowry demands day by day also. Also we tried to contact him through various ways, but each time he will tell that he need 2 months time, like that. It has been 2 months, there is no contact. So last in October 2023 also I went to his home. That time also his mother has thrown my luggage. When I went to his home, his mother has thrown my luggage outside the house and locked the room and went out. With the help of police there, they done this. And also I stayed night in front of their home. She has locked the room and went out. She didn't show up that day. And likewise it was going like that. And since my studies and internship are completed, I came on January 8th, that's this month, January 8th, to talk to him, and we went to his quarters in Belonia. We went there. At that time, me and my father went there. Actually, from the minute we entered, he started taunting us. Like slandering us and saying abusive words. He also told that he doesn't know me and asked us to get out. And he also told that he will file false complaint against us. Since he has power, he will do anything, and it is his this area is under his power, and he can do anything. He can even kill us. Like that he told. After that, and also my father went out, leaving me there, so that if possible we can try to talk. But after my father left, he beat me with a belt and hit my head on wall, asking me to leave. Then on, then he pushed me to the wall. Then he went out. After some day, that time I called police 100. But after hearing to complain, but after hearing he is an ADM, they cut the phone. After some day he came back and started taking his things. And he was going to move out. After that also I was waiting, I was asking him something but he was not talking, and when he pushed me to the wall, that time he made sound that he told that I have attacked him, like that he told, and went to nearby house and told that she is making fall, she came to fabricate me, that's why so whenever you hear sound you need to come, like that he told. Then after that also he this happens, he pushed the door towards my hand, that's how my hand was fractured. After that also he was telling before them that I came to fabricate the case, like that.
Is police not responding complaint?
Actually they didn't. Yesterday only they filed complaint, and incident happened on 8th, but since as he told he has power, he can do anything and no one will do anything, they didn't took the case, and yesterday only FIR was even filed.
आपने FIR किया गया था?
हाँ, FIR कर दिया।
कहाँ पर किया था FIR? FIR बिलोनिया। केस लिया क्या? केस के लिया?
केस अभी एक्शन नहीं हुआ, लेकिन FIR कर लिया हमने।
How can demand?
आपका डिमांड क्या है? आप क्या करना चाहती हैं?
Actually, he is saying that he has power, he can do anything, he can even kill anyone or like that. But everyone should be equal before the law. So the right punishment should be given to him.
आप ये
चाहिए नहीं, पैसे चाहिए,
दहेज क्या डिमांड किया था उन्होंने?
वो डिमांड तो डेली डिमांड है, ये कह रहे हैं कि मम्मी के पैसा दे दे 10 लाख रुपए, मेरे बहन के 10 लाख रुपए दे दे। ये जो पैसा मांगा इन्होंने, इनके पापा ने उसका अकाउंट में डाल कर दिया, सारे हमारे पास है डॉक्यूमेंट्स है। गोल्ड दिया, बहुत गोल्ड वगैरह दिया, डायमंड दिया, गाड़ी दिया, घर बना के दिया, जमीन इन दोनों के नाम पे 2 एकड़ जमीन भी लेके दिया।
फिर भी मार रहे हैं।
सर आपका शुभ नाम?
मेरा नाम अजय आनंद।
आप इसका जो
मेरा घर का पास है, इनकी हिंदी वगैरह जानता नहीं, मेरा गांव से आता है।
ठीक है। अभी इसके लिए अभी क्या आप लोग क्या चाहते हैं, क्या सजा होना चाहिए? क्या
सजा होना चाहिए ना, ऐसे लड़की के साथ ऐसे करना नहीं चाहिए था।
वो डीएम है, लेकिन आपने पत्नी के साथ ही ऐसा, एडीएम है, अपनी पत्नी के साथ ही ऐसा कर रहे हैं, समाज के लिए आपका क्या वार्ता चाहिए? क्या बोलेंगे?
समाज के लिए, समाज ये अपना बीवी की नहीं पाल पा रहे, समाज के लिए क्या करेगा? ऐसे ये तो वैसे दादागिरी है, ये गुंडा है, ये सदियारी थोड़ी है, तो गुंडा है ये।
वो कहाँ रहने वाला है?
वो तमिलनाडु में कन्याकुमारी डिस्ट्रिक्ट है।
यहाँ पर कितने दिन हुआ आया?
ये 2 साल हो गया होगा पोस्टिंग।
आप लोग को सीएम को जाना है इस बारे में?
सीएम के पास कल हमने जाके अपना जो हिसाब रख दिया, कंप्लेन दे दिया, सामने कह रहे कार्रवाई करेंगे, इनकी इंक्वायरी रखेंगे, जो आपके लिए मदद कर सकते हैं हम करेंगे। साहब डीजीपी की भी, चीफ सेक्रेटरी की भी सामने लेटर का कॉपी दे दिया हमने, जो सीएम को दिया था।
ओके।